What the hell is going on with PTC, Kepware, and a little bit of ThingWorks? Take 0. All right, so on the drive-in this morning, I'm doing a consulting thing here in Dallas with a European OEM who develops an IIoT platform. And on the drive into the office this morning, I got a message telling me about a new hire at Litmus Automation from Kepware. Because this person's not a public figure, I'm not going to mention his name, but I have talked about him before. If you look at the videos we did here in the last couple of months about PTC killing PTC killing Kepware, I said, listen, there's one guy at Kepware that if Kepware loses, it's over for them, okay? And that guy has left. All right, so now this engineer is the greatest application engineer in the Connect Collect layer that I've ever worked with in my entire career. He was all in on Kepware. He was a true believer, a world-class evangelist. I mean, this would be like this guy moving from Kepware to Litmus is like Travis Cox leaving inductive automation to work in the Factory Talk group at Rockwell, or well, actually that would be a step backwards, to move to a new bleeding edge IIoT platform. There's no way to overstate how big of a deal this is and what it means for Kepware. All right. First off, this guy is, one of the most ethical, he's an incredibly thoughtful, he's a mission-driven guy. He doesn't make decisions based on money, all right? He's not chasing the bottom dollar, okay? He makes strategic decisions in everything he does in his life. And if he made the decision that even in spite of all the announcements from Kepware over the last few months, okay, if you looked at the announcements in the spring, they said they're reinvesting in the development of the Linux-based drivers, Kepware Edge, that you'll deploy via Docker containers, that they're going to reinvest in Kepware Plus for enterprise management of your edge connectivity. They made a bunch of big announcements in the spring. If he decided to leave Kepware after those announcements, a few months after those announcements, this is the type of stuff in the tea leaves that you have to be able to read. Okay, so what does this mean? Now, I've also, over the last few months, I have done some consulting where PTC and ThingWorks have come up. PTC, ThingWorks, and Kepware have come up many times. All right, and I know for a fact that PTC is actively shopping ThingWorks and Kepware together. They're trying to find someone to buy ThingWorks and Kepware together. Okay, ThingWorks is worthless. Okay, it's completely worthless. Kepware has the value. Kepware has rock solid Windows-based drivers that have just been, they make the best drivers in the world still. A slight advantage over Litmus. And when I say slight, I mean they are very, very close. And the threshold is based on the number of times I have to go to, say, a Litmus Edge deployment to check on the status of a driver, versus the number of times I would do that in Kep Server EX. Many, many times, there's times where once I set a driver, I forget it. And I don't revisit it again until my license is going to expire. Okay, it's like that. Their drivers are that rock solid. Like Kepware's drivers are never the problem. When you have an issue in your infrastructure, it's not the Kepware driver. It might be the way you configured the driver, but you debug that once and you never have to deal with it again. So they make incredible drivers. They had the best talent in the industry, but they lost Aaron Semley to HiByte. They've lost this guy. The only reason I'm not saying his name is because he's not a public figure and I didn't get permission from him to use his name. But anybody in the community is going to know who I'm talking about. There's no way to overstate how big of a move this is. So what does this mean? Okay. Well, for sure, what it means is that manufacturers and integrators really need to be thinking about what is their strategy for connectivity going forward. Yeah, Kepware's share of the market isn't growing. All of that growth can be attributed to primarily Litmus. The fact that PTC is trying to sell ThingWorx with Kepware. The value in Kepware is they've got these rock solid drivers. They've got this incredible lab in Portland, Maine. They have hardware in there that you can't get anywhere. That is, they're able to make drivers for hardware that you can't get anywhere, but it's hardware that is still out there in the world. And they have this incredible install base. You know, that's the value of Kepware. There was a fourth value in Kepware, and it was the people. It was the Adam Kennedys of the world. It was this guy that I'm talking about. It was Aaron Semley. They have hemorrhaged all of their top talent. In fact, the one person that I didn't believe belonged in their role, in the role that they were in, I mean, even the people who managed strategic accounts, the liaison between the integrators is no longer there. She went to Highbyte. Like, they have literally hemorrhaged all of their talent. Like, they've lost every key player in the entire company. And the only person from who's still there is the one person I thought never belonged in the job to begin with. I mean, I spent a decade trying to convince this guy to take the platform in a different direction. And he turned his nose up at it. He was fucking wrong. Time and time again, he was wrong. Damn. This is a very, very sad day. I mean, I don't blame him for making the jump. I trust his judgment implicitly. So if he made the jump, it only confirms the sad state of affairs that I've assessed on my own and through opportunities. That being said, is all hope lost? No, I mean, of course not. You've got the underlying tech, you got the lab, you got the install base. You have the recent announcements over the last few months, okay, about they're going to go in the right direction. This wouldn't be the first time that Kepware said they were going to go in the right direction. Linux drivers are, I was part of the beta 7 years ago or something. How are they going to make it a reality? PTC has no idea what they're doing in the IoT space at all. You know, I mean, they're a PLM company. And they have horrific leadership. Horrific. They are PTC's leadership is a cautionary tale. It's a cautionary tale. It's a tale of hubris, and so what should you do? Well, I know that since Litmus's developer edition came out, where I can deploy Litmus on a 2-hour trial in a Docker container, and the only thing I don't get is the marketplace, because the marketplace, they deploy, the apps in the marketplace via containers, right? So the only thing I don't get with Litmus Developer, I get all the drivers, I get the data ops, I get event streams, I get everything in Litmus Edge, and I can pull it from a Docker repository and deploy it in a container as part of a composable stack. I haven't deployed Kepware once since Developer Edition came out. Every single Connect Collect is Litmus Edge. And the reason why is, why would I use Kepware if I can deploy Litmus that easy? It's like I'm talking to Dunder Mifflin. It's like, well, because we have great customer service. Well, all the people who did the customer service are gone. What the fuck is going on at PTC and Kepware? Seriously. Why do I care here? Do you know how many US manufacturers use Kepware for their connectivity? Do you know how many? The market is better. Here's why I care. As much as I love Litmus, okay? As much as I love Litmus, they have investors, okay? If they have the market cornered, that is, they own the market in connectivity, their investors are going to pressure them to charge as much as they possibly can for their product, because they don't have competitive pressure to bring the prices down in the market. I want Kepware and Litmus both to survive. That's what I want. Someone said, hey, Walker, why are you okay with Litmus acquiring Kepware? Well, It's a great question. The reason I'm okay is because the existing install base of Kepware customers would put the pressure on Litmus to keep their prices low for connectivity. And following that, by having the market, the revenue stream that Litmus is supporting their business on, by having that completely diversified, they are under less pressure to have high per license costs. Like, there's a reason that I want Kepware and Litmus to be in the market together. There's a reason that the worst thing that could happen is for Kepware to fold. That would be the worst case scenario. And I can tell you this, I advise on mergers and acquisitions all the time, okay? At the current asking price that PTC is asking for ThingWorx and Kepware, no one is buying at that asking price. ThingWorx is worthless. It's an albatross, it's an anchor. No one wants it. Okay, it is worthless. And PTC only has themselves to blame. Rick Bellotta gave them a platform on a silver fucking platter, and they did nothing with it. They took one shot at it with manufacturing apps, and which was like their first take at MES. And you know, they made some design decisions, and when they originally did it, that were ridiculous. Like, they limited your ability, they limited the number of states your machine could be in to 8 predefined states that they came up with. You couldn't create your own custom state. So you couldn't say, if this register's value is 555, it equals that this asset is starved, that this named asset is starved. You couldn't create any custom states in the lookup table. Obviously, no one, who the fuck was going to buy that? Only someone who doesn't know how MES works. And they never fixed it. PTC has no idea what they are doing in IIoT. And they have the worst personality as an organization for a company that doesn't know what they're doing. Their arrogance and hubris is next level. They do not even bother to seek out what are our weak points, what are our blind spots. The announcements Kepware made in this past spring are things I asked them to do 4 years ago. I don't even know how I shot a video on the top of a parking garage. It took 4 years, right? Was that 4 years ago, right, Josh?
Something like that.
So while I am very excited for Litmus, this is a big, big, big announcement by Litmus. Huge, huge. He is the best applications engineer in the biz when it comes to Connect Collect. The best, bar none. Do not pass go, do not collect $200. He's the best. You take this new guy and you take Dave, who's at Litmus now, who heads up their application stuff. Yikes. Pfft. They're going to crush it. They're going to crush the market. Crush it. And that follows on the heels of Adam Kennedy making the jump, who oversees global strategy. It's shooting fish in a barrel. And those fish are current Kepware customers. And the reason why is because you have the perfect combination of PTC not serving the existing install base and a rock-solid competitor who doesn't only have the technology and the go-to-market strategy, they have the people to support the outcome. It's fucking insane. All right, so that's it, man. If you're a current Kepware customer, current PTC customer, I'd be getting on the phone with them and asking them what the hell is going on. You guys are hemorrhaging all your best people. And these announcements you made in spring were brought to you years ago. Why did it take that long? And then ask them, I would also ask them, how can I trust you if you're actively shopping the market, shopping the products that you're trying to sell me? And I don't even know who you're going to try and sell them to. All right, with that, like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one.